Are you looking to open up an LLC? Future entrepreneurs, this can be very confusing. Should you be an S-corp, C-corp, a partnership, an LLC? I have helped hundreds of clients over the years create an entity that works right for them. Too many times have I seen clients scroll through TikTok videos, Instagram, Facebook, and try and figure out what's the best LLC for them. Use these in-the-box solutions, these websites that really don't take the time to determine what is the correct solution for them. Book a one-on-one consultation with myself. Let's do a discovery call. Let's analyze exactly where you are, whether you're a wage earner, W-2 employee, or you're an existing small business owner that hasn't quite created the LLC yet, or maybe you're in the wrong entity altogether. I know a lot of clients are looking at opening up corporations in Delaware, Wyoming, and they think that this may be advantageous for them. Depending on your situation, it may or may not. It may be better for you just to focus and open up that corporation or that LLC, that entity in your tax state. Book a one-on-one consultation with myself on the link below. Let's create the right tax solution for you, the right entity that maximizes tax savings, tax deductions, and keeps more of that hard-earned money in your pocket and not donating it to Uncle Sam.